Hi children, welcome to today's EVS class. You all know that we are learning block 11 family tree, and today's class we are going to further learn about how we can help each other in a family. By now you all know that how important is a family for each and every one of us. When a group of members are living together, there will be so much of work in the family, right? Cooking, cleaning, like that, so many different types of tasks are there. So in such a case that one person or only two persons are doing the work, it will be difficult for them to get their own time to do the other works which they are interested. So helping in a family is a it is not actually helping also. It is the responsibility of each and everybody in a family. Each member, when we say I am the member, so how happy you all felt to say that even I am a member of the family, I am a member. When we are a member of the family, it is also important to share the work and also to take the responsibilities. But you all are very small children. What way we can help, ma'am? What way we can help, you might be asking. Just we will see. Even though it sounds so simple, it is also very important quality and the value which you people have to develop from right now, children. So today's topic is helping in a family. So in a family, as I told you, this is not even a help. It is your own responsibility to make the other members of the family happy. Yes, when you the behavior, how you behave, should make the people happy. Yes, children. Now, for example, first, who needs more help? We see aging people in our home. Maybe some aging people will be there. So who are these aging people? By now you all know that the family tree, you learned that the roots are the like the roots are the grandparents. Yes. So they are the aging people. Because why they are called as aging people? They are growing age. The age is growing for them. Growing age. They have become old. They have become very old. Old people. Even in other way, from aging people we can write old people they are, because as they have become old, why do they need help? Why they need help, children? Aging people comes as the first criteria who needs more help in a family. Why they need help? Because their body will be weak. Yes, because all these days they were doing different types of work. So their legs, arms will be very weak. Yes, like it won't be like how an adult is having, how an youngster, how your other elders at home are having. So their arms, legs, even eyes also will it might have become weak. See, when eyes have become weak, so they can't see properly. So they need more help from the others. At the same way, their arms are weak, legs are weak, they can't walk fastly, they cannot lift heavy things, they cannot move the things here and there as if others are doing. So that they need more attention. Who? Aging people. Why? Because they are old people and they are also very important. We all know that because they are the first members of the family and they need help because their arms, eyes and legs are weak now. How you can help? So you know that they need the help. You will say that, madam, even I am so small, how I can help? My hands are also very tender and weak. But you can also help. How you can help, children? These people. Just now you can start thinking in your mind. You can help them. By how you can help? You can get things. Yes, just now we said they are unable to walk fastly. So whenever they ask something, you can get things for them. In the home only, from here to there to here, you can help them. You can talk with them. Yes, talk to them. See, instead of all the time seeing TV and watching the mobile and doing some doing other work, you can spend time with them. Talk to them means that is also called as spending time. You can go for a walk, spend time. Now that you cannot be able to go out, but even then you can take them for a walk when the situation is normal outside. You can take them for a walk. At least you can spend some time with them. They will be also telling you so many things. Just now last class we learned, no, they will be telling you different things about your parents and so many other members of the family, how they were and all they will tell. So when they are making you happy by telling the stories that time, you can tell them what happened, what did you learn today, what were the different things explained by the different teachers, what happened, what do you anything else they want. Like that you can interact with them, you can talk to them. That is, you will think that this is very simple. Yes, simple task is only given to you because you are very small children, but that is going to be a very great task for these people because they are old now. So you can talk to them, spend time with them, get things for them. They ask for water, just you can bring and give them, and if they ask for the spectacles, you can get and give. Like that, different types of work which is possible for you, you can do. You can hold their hand and you can take them for the walk. Yes, no children. And also after this old people, we have some elders at home. Elders means your parents only, no? Your parents are your elders. If you are a joint family, uncle, aunt, they are the elders. And your uncle, aunt also. If your uncle has come to your home, aunt has come to your home, they are strong, but they will have so many different types of work to do. Lots of work. Yes, they have to go to the office, they'll come back, they will cook, they'll clean. So they also need some work. Some sort of help they need. So whenever they are asking, you should not think that they are not old, by age. But they have so many different types of work to be done, going to the market, bringing the things, cutting vegetables, like that. So many tasks are there at home. So to them also you can help. How? By helping them by folding the clothes you can do. Yes, all of you can do the folding clothes you can do. When your mother is drying the clothes, the father is drying the clothes, you can help them. When they are cleaning something, at least one shelf at home you can arrange and keep it neat. Whenever they say something, you can listen to that. So that is also a big help for the elders. And one more group of people are there who need your help. They are young children. You are also a child only. But if you are having a small sibling, babies, your sister or brother, you all were happy to draw the family tree and write your names of your cousins, siblings. So suddenly your aunt came with her baby. Yes, your aunt is also your family member only, and that small cousin is also your family member only. So what type of help they need? These young children, they will also cannot do much work because they are so soft bones and they cannot, some of them cannot be very small, they can't walk and all. So you can help. How you can help? You can teach them some good things, what you know. You can tell them stories. They listen to your stories, right? You can tell the stories and you can spend time with them. You can spend time. You can play with them. Or you should not disturb, or you should not beat. You should not make any harm to them. In a nice way, if you see in the family like this, when all are joining together like this, each one is helping each other, how the family will be happy, how the time spent will be lovely and wonderful, children. Yes, so in a family, elderly people, they are very old, their eyes are weak, their arms are weak, their legs are weak. So they need more care, and they will forget also. Due to the aging process, they will forget things. So you have to help them. Whenever they forget to, your grandma is there, she forgets to take her medicine. Forget means she is not remembering that. So that time, at least you can set an alarm and you can, which time she has to take, and you can remember her, you can remind her, run, and if you go and say that it's the time for your medicine, how happy she will feel. Yes, so that's how you can make happy the elderly people. And also the elders at home, like uncle, aunt, your mother, father also, you can help by doing small chores at home, simple work whichever is there, that can be done, so that you can also develop the motor skills, your hands, legs. Simply you cannot sit and watch the TV all the time. Simple work like gardening, whichever you are under the supervision of your parents or any adult at home, you can do small work. And small babies are there at home, you can help them, whatever work parents are saying, or if it is a like LKG, UKG going, brother, sister you have, you can tell them stories, you can teach them some good things, good manners and spellings, like that you can engage them, so that the family will be very happy and everybody will get their own time for doing something. Yes, if your mother is very much interested in painting, she should have some time for that, no? So when you help her, she will find her own time and she can do her work. father is interested in playing something, badminton or something. So when some work is getting shared, so he can do his whichever he likes. So that is how we have to help each other, children. That is why helping is also very important. Again I am saying, it is not even helping, it is our responsibility to take care of each other in a family. Yes, children. Now let us see in the textbook, there is a grandma and grandpa's in page number 72. You can see that. When seeing that picture, you will be remembering your grandparents. Yes, no, children, because you love them so much. So you read that what is given, and then we will see what is given in the S4, children. Helping in our family, S4. Here is a story. There is a boy like you only, a small boy. Name of the boy is Ram. So this boy is a very active and very loving and caring boy. Why? Because see, he is living with his grandfather, and grandfather, always he will forget to take his medicines. So do you know how the Ram helped the grandfather? He took the alarm. Even in your watch you can keep nowadays, you can keep in your phone. Yes. So in that he kept alarm. When the time, for example, if it is 12 o'clock, the alarm will start beeping and he will go run and give the medicine. And grandfather will be very happy, and grandfather also tells him many stories like your own grandparents. Yes. So see that how nice boy is. Ram is a good boy or caring boy, or he is a careless boy? He is a caring boy. Even each one of you should be a caring child, loving child. That is very important in a family. See the questions, children. How does Ram help his grandfather? He sets the alarm and gives the medicines to his grandfather. B question. Why do older people like Ram's grandfather need help, children? Why do old people need our help? Why they cannot do all the work on their own? Yes, very good. So first one, A1 you can do on your own. B1, why do older people like Ram's grandfather need our help? Because their legs, arms and eyes will be weak. Yes, because of aging, their body parts, bones all will not be strong like how the other adults are having. Now see the second question. This is about the first question. A part you will read the story and do on your own. How can you help your grandmother when she feels lonely? Lonely means there will be feelings nobody is there to talk with us, nobody is there to spend time with us. So that feeling will be there. Lonely they will feel means they are feeling that they are alone. So that is very, so when we are there, they should not feel like that. So what will you do, children? So think and answer. How you can spend time with them. You can tell what you know, what all stories you know, or else you can tell what happened today's classes, what happened, different things you can exchange so that they will feel happy that somebody is there to take care of them. So this you have to think and do on your own. Third question. The old lady next to your house is sick and needs some bread. How can you help? See, not only our own grandparents, when you are going out, you see somebody is an old man, you don't know who he is, but he is unable to walk and he has something fallen down from his spectacles fallen down, for example. So immediately you have to run and help. You have to hold their hand to help them to cross the road. So such type of things, after asking your parents, you can do. So that way also you can help. But neighbors, here in this question, the neighbor, she want to get the bread, but she cannot go out. She is feeling very weak. So how will you help, children? Can you get the bread or can you give her any other food item? So this also I am leaving for you to do on your own. Now this is S4. By the time now we came to S4 and the story is there and you can think and you can only your own words, even it is one word or two words let it be, but try to give your own answer. First answer you are going to do A. And second one, how are you going to help your grandmother? I will spend time, I will tell about my friends, I will take her for a walk, like that. You try to make your own words and try the second answer. Third answer, neighbor, old lady needs bread. So what will you do? I will get her bread. You can go to the nearby shop and get the bread. if it is nearby. If it is not that, something else you can give from your home. If suppose some idlis are there, 2 dosas are there, whichever you can ask your mother, nobody will say no. Yes, when old people are suffering, your parents will say yes only. So you think how you want to help them, and you will do this on your own. Let us see how you are able to do, and you will send me the pics as usual. By this, the block 11 we have completed. So your work is to read the lesson and try to find out your own answers for the questions given at the back. You can write the answers at the back only with a pencil. Then we will discuss in one class, and then I will give you the answers. Before I give the answers, you have to think your own answers and keep it ready, children, as usual. Bye, children.